Welcome to Project Pro Code Recipes. In this video, we are going to learn on how to present hierarchical data in Pandas. So this is my code snippet. I have copied this code and I have pasted that in my Jupyter notebook. I'll explain to you the code over here as well as run this for you. So let's get started. Now, basically, hierarchical data presentation in Pandas is similar to a group by function that you use, but the difference is with successive you can use multiple. You also use multiple group by group by type functions in hierarchical data, and it gives hierarchies to the levels that in which you have used. Basically, the format in which you pass the order in which you pass becomes an hierarchy for the presentation of your data. So you will understand this when you will see the output. Now I've defined a function over here. So this warning, now import pandas as pd. I have created a data frame. So basically this is not a data frame, this is actually a data dictionary. I'll convert that into data frame. Now pandas.data frame raw underscore data column name is equal to regiment. You need to just pass the column names. So print df, this will print the df my data frame for me. Now I want to set index, hierarchical index as regiment and then company. That is first use first filter it by regiment, then filter it by company. Now print df. So print df.index, this will print the index for me. Now print df.swap level. So what swap level does, swap level just swaps the index. Instead of using the swap level, you could have also done the same thing, set underscore index, then you could have passed company and then the regiment. Now after that print, so you can perform operations, or you can perform statistical operations on your data sets after you have done this hierarchical indexing of that. So df.sum level, that is on what you want to do. So regiment, df.count levels equal to regiment. I'm doing all thing on regiment. So basically I'm calculating the count, the mean, the max and the min. So let me run this for you. So this is a data frame. Now you can see it indexed it in the form of night, first regiment then column. So first it filtered it in the form of Nighthawks, then it filtered it in the form of company. Now after that you can see how my index was. So first it was dragoon, it has arranged that in in a alphabetical order, then Nighthawks, then scouts, then come first and second. The names were regiment and company respectively. Now I'm arranging it in the form of company then regiment. So first it picks up the first company, then Nighthawks and Nighthawks, then second, then Nighthawks and Nighthawks. So you can see it's swapping. What swapping does, swapping just reverses that. So that's why I told you can use the same thing, that you could have also passed company and then regiment in set index format. Now as I told you, I am using the sum and all those statistical description function. So regiment dot sum, what sum does, level equal to Nighthawk, that is use my index as Nighthawk. So Nighthawk pretest score is 61 and count of postgres score is 238. The similar goes for the count, the mean, the min, the maximum and the minimum value. Okay, so this was all about codes in this video. For more industry relevant project, you can visit our website. You can also visit our website for recipes like this, and also go to our YouTube channel. In case you want your customized code, you can use the click here function over that is given over here, and the URL for the code in this video is available in the description below. Thank you.